Oh my goodness. I have got the best program to share with you guys today. So, tomorrow, October 1st, Close to My Heart is releasing a brand new program that we have never done before. You guys, this is so big. It is the new VIP customer, and you definitely want to be one of the first people in on this because it is going to be amazing. Amazing. Seriously, I can't even get these deals as a consultant. So I am super excited to share all this information with you because I think you're going to want to know it. Starting tomorrow, you can sign up on my page as my VIP customer. And in doing so, you're going to pay a $35 yearly enrollment fee. That's for the whole year. That covers everything that you are going to get in this next year. And I'm going to tell you what those benefits are. But it gets even better. If you sign up between now and October till the end of the year, you'll get $25 cash back instantly to spend right away. Yeah, just because you're going to get right in there on that founding VIP membership, you're going to get $25 back right away to spend. So for $10 for the entire year, you get to take advantage of perks like 15% cash back on all of your orders, free stamp of the month every month with your qualifying purchase of $50 or more, exclusive events like a very exclusive VIP crop coming up in February, promos, specials, a special Facebook page just for you from Close to My Heart, as well as so many other perks. Because let's face it, you're getting a discount right now. You don't have to wait to host a party. You don't have to wait to have a big enough order. You're going to get a discount or a cash back right away. Depends how you use it, right? So let's just talk about the cash back right now. 15% on your orders. So let's say you spend $100 and you're going to get 15% to use on your next order. So that's the cash back version, right? So $15 that let's say you use next month. Okay, you can save that $15 and bank it, or you can spend it. Let me tell you why you might want to bank it, because this is what makes this program amazing. By banking your savings of 15%, you can start to earn free products on anything. Yeah, anything. I should be shouting it because it's so crazy. Anything out of the core book, anything out of any of our seasonal books for this next year, and as a VIP customer, you can also earn some 50% off coupons from me. And those 50% off coupons are going to get you exclusive bundles like our new liquid pearls, our marker sets, which are amazing, shimmer brush bundles, mixed media, and, are you ready? You can qualify as one of my VIPs to earn some brand new tools that you are definitely going to want to use in your crafting, like our new marker storage, 2 different types, our die cutting machine, which we have had, but if you haven't seen it, you're going to want it, typewriter, the Heidi Swap Mink foiling machine, the Cricut compatible We Are Memory Keepers foil quill, more We Are Memory Keepers. This is the fuse and the glitter vacuum, and so much more. You guys, so much more. So that cash can be used on anything in the book now. So if you want to use that $15 and get some new markers, you can. If you want to bank that $15 off that you got from your $100 order, you could add it to your next order's banked money and keep saving and saving and saving and get something really big, right? It is so awesome. Choose to use it, choose to bank it. Whatever you do, you're getting that money cash back. Signing up in October for $35, you're going to get $25 to spend on that order right away. And then you'll get the 15% to use on your next order as well. So it's still a great deal. Free stamp of the month, free programs, free crops, everything. It is so good. Plus, I want you to know that if you sign up under my link tomorrow or anytime in the month of October, you'll also be in a drawing to earn a 50% off coupon for any of those things I just mentioned or anything out of the book from me only 50% off coupon for being one of my VIPs. And this is just one of the perks of being one of my VIPs, because I'm going to be offering perks like this all year long because you guys deserve it. You signed up, you're a VIP. The private Facebook group is going to be opening up as soon as signups start tomorrow. And the crop, like I mentioned before, there's a special crop for any VIPs that sign up between October and December happening in February. So you will see that on Facebook as well. So I am super excited, you guys. So excited. Are you guys excited? I really, really hope so. You can visit my website, which I'm going to link below. Sign up starting tomorrow, October 1st. Get in on all these exclusive deals. Start earning some freebies. Start spending some freebies. And become a VIP.